Most people worry a lot about global warming, which is a real problem, but they forget 1.2 billion don't have any access to modern electricity. In Sub-Saharan Africa, minus South Africa, there's only 28 gigawatts of generating capacity for electricity. That's the same as in Arizona. But in Sub-Saharan Africa, there's 860 million people versus just 6.5 million in Arizona. The Western way of looking at it is they should just get wind turbines and solar panels. But remember, that was not what worked for China. Over the last 30 years, China has used a lot more coal, generating pollution, but they've also lifted out 680 million people from poverty. But why should Sub-Saharan Africa and Southeast Asia not have the same opportunity to get out of poverty and get all the benefits that come with that? We seem to say that the poor world should not get its energy from fossil fuels, but that would be hypocritical. I mean, we get almost all of our energy from fossil fuels. The rich world needs to step up its investment into green energy research and development to make the next generations of green energy so cheap everyone, including the developing world, will want to buy it.